When we first saw the fast radio burst, my colleague started laughing because it just seemed too good to be true. It was ridiculously bright and absolutely perfect. My name is Prof Bailes. I'm the director of the ARC Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery, sometimes called AusGrav, and that's headquartered here at Swinburne University of Technology. Fast radio bursts were first discovered at the Parkes Radio Telescope back in 2007. I was very fortunate to be part of the discovery team. They only last for about a millisecond, but they're coming from billions of light years away, and they're about 1 trillion times more luminous than any radio burst we've ever seen from our galaxy. Entangled in the fast radio burst signal is a measure of how many electrons there are in the universe, and we can use that to determine how much normal matter in the universe weighs. I'm currently the director of something called AusGrav, the ARC Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery, and that detects a brand new type of radiation called gravitational waves. AusGrav is very thirsty for knowledge and this new way of looking at the universe, where we can use ripples in space-time to study how black holes and neutron stars merge. AusGrav is making ripples internationally. I've had people come into my office from overseas saying, "How did you do this, and how can we do this back in our own country?" The team is doing something right. I really get the greatest joy out of nurturing the next scientists and engineers. I love going to schools and giving talks, and also having kids come into the lab, seeing them gaze in wonder at what we know about the universe. To receive the Prime Minister's Prize for Science is an amazing honour. And there's so many of us pushing against the frontiers of knowledge that every now and then one of us hits the jackpot. And so I see this really as a prize for the entire astronomical sector.